Morning, YouTubers. It's Bruce from the Cool Geerage. I just kind of been wondering what I could do to put some video out here, and I got a bit of a life hack. I got a broken down leaf blower, and it needs to get serviced. And you know, I can't wait for servicing. The leaves are down now. You know, it's quite a leaf wonderland, but you know, we just got a gazillion leaves from the trees and everything like that. It's like a monster sea. You know, they're even up on the roof, and they're all plugging the gutters, and they get trapped underneath my little cool overhang here. And be easy to move 3-foot pile, 2-foot pile of leaves with the 3500 psi pressure washer. So you can, it's easy. But what I've done in the past hour would have taken me 3 or 4 with a rake and a million trips up to the hill. This is great. Okay, so just to close it up, my life hack worked awesome. Check this out. You know, if you remember, the gutter was all full. I was up there, so with the pressure washer, I pressure washed the back area and the siding and across in the gutters there too. So, hey, you know what? I'm always up for an idea to save me time and save me a lot of work. Anyway, that's my life hack for the day. It's Saturday, November 11th, and hopefully all of you guys remembered 11/11, Remembrance Day, and give thanks for all we have, our freedom. Thank you. Bruce from the Cool Geerage, out.